Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Modular Arithmetic Part 3. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Multiplication in modular arithmetic. The table to the left shows multiplication using ordinary arithmetic. The green shading in this table shows the numbers which do not exist in Mod 5 arithmetic. The table to the right shows multiplication in Mod 5 arithmetic. The green shading here shows the answers in Mod 5. So over here this is ordinary arithmetic and we have the numbers 0 to 4 and 0 to 4, and after we do our multiplication we have all these numbers. But all these numbers here do not exist in Mod 5 arithmetic. But this is what they are in Mod 5 arithmetic. For example, if we look at 6 here, that is equal to 1 in Mod 5 arithmetic. And you say, well, how is that the case? Well, if you divide 5 into 6, that goes once, and the remainder is 1. And that's the answer. So the answer is always the remainder. Let's look at 8 for example. 8 in ordinary arithmetic is 3 in Mod 5 arithmetic. 5 into 8 goes once, and the remainder is 3. And we'll do one more. 12 is equal to 2 in Mod 5 arithmetic. 5 into 12 goes twice, and the remainder is 2. So it's all about remainders. Okay, after you do the division, whatever the remainder is, that's what the answer is in Mod 5 arithmetic. Reciprocals and division. Now here is a multiplication table in Mod 5 arithmetic. I quickly want to focus on these answers here. Just the answers which equal 1. 1 times 1 is 1. If you multiply a number by its reciprocal, you get 1. 2 times 3 is 1. If you multiply 2 by its reciprocal, you get 1. Similar, 3 times 2 is 1. Multiply 3 by its reciprocal, you get 1. 4 times 4 is 1. You multiply 4 by its reciprocal, you get 1. Let's have a look at Mod 6 arithmetic, see where the 1s are. There and there. 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 is the reciprocal of 1. 5 times 5 is 1, so 5 is the reciprocal of 5. In Mod 5, every number except 0 has a reciprocal. So all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 have reciprocals, but 0 doesn't. In Mod 6, not all the numbers have a reciprocal, so only 1 and 5 have a reciprocal. Let's see the rule on the next slide. Rules for reciprocals in modular arithmetic. If P is prime, then every non-zero number in Mod P arithmetic has a reciprocal. We saw in Mod 5 that all numbers except 0 have a reciprocal, and 5 is prime. If P is composite, then not every non-zero number in Mod P arithmetic has a reciprocal. We saw Mod 6, only some of the numbers have a reciprocal, not all of them, and 6 is composite. Now remember, in normal arithmetic, when you divide by any number, just multiply by its reciprocal. So that's the same thing. For example, 6 divided by 2 is the same as 6 multiplied by a half, because the reciprocal of 2 is a half. So that's normal arithmetic. The same rule applies for modular arithmetic. Now we're going to use this information to help us do the sums on the following page. Here is the multiplication table again for Mod 5 arithmetic. So we're going to answer the following sums in Mod 5. 4 divided by 3 is 4 multiplied by the reciprocal of 3. Because the reciprocal of 3 is 2. See that? 3 times 2 is 1. So the reciprocal of 3 is 2. 4 2s are 8 in ordinary arithmetic. 5 into 8 goes once with a remainder of 3. So the answer is 3 in Mod 5, because that's the remainder. 1 divided by 2 is 1 multiplied by the reciprocal of 2. Now the reciprocal of 2 is 3, because 2 times 3 is 1. So the reciprocal of 2 is 3. So 1 divided by 2 is 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3 in Mod 5. 2 divided by 2. Now, we've already seen that the reciprocal of 2 is 3, so 2 divided by 2 is the same as 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6 in ordinary arithmetic, and that's 1 in Mod 5. Because 5 into 6 goes once with a remainder of 1. Remember, we're looking for the remainders. 3 divided by 4 is 3 multiplied by the reciprocal of 4, which is actually 4. Because look, 4 by 4 is 1, so the reciprocal of 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12, that's in ordinary arithmetic, and the answer is 2 in Mod 5. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle, what is the meaning of the following? Comfortable. Come for table. There's come, and you got 4 words of table. Comfortable. Wasn't that tricky? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and please check through the video if you need to do so. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.